Attention! Today we will conduct a masterclass on a fundamental aspect of French grammar, the plural. Precision is paramount. Let us proceed. To achieve mastery, you must first understand a core principle of the language. There is the French you see in writing, and there is the French you hear in speech. They are not always the same. Today we will conquer both. We begin with the written form. These rules are non-negotiable. They are the foundation upon which your understanding will be built. Observe. This card summarizes the 3 pillars of written pluralization. We will dissect them one by one. Commit this information to memory. The general rule is straightforward in its application. For the vast majority of nouns, you will simply add an S to the end. For instance, le fromage becomes les fromages. This is the standard you will apply most often. Knowing the general rule is for beginners. True mastery is found in the exceptions. This is the point where the casual student falters. We will not. Now, pay close attention. This is our first set of critical exceptions. Nouns ending in a, eo, and u do not take an S. Instead, they demand an X. For example, un poireau becomes des poireaux. Likewise, un chou becomes des choux. The X is mandatory. Our final written rule concerns invariable nouns. Here, the rule is to do nothing at all. If a singular noun already terminates with an S, X, or Z, its plural form remains identical. Ce jus becomes ces jus. The spelling does not change. And now, we confront the great illusion of spoken French. This is the challenge. That written S or X you have just learned to apply is, almost without exception, completely silent. Your ears will attempt to fool you. So the question arises, if the noun offers no auditory clue, how does one discern the plural? The secret is not in the noun. It is in the small, critical words that surround it, the determinants, like the, or some. This is where you must focus your listening. This is the central point you must internalize. For the majority of nouns, the singular and plural forms are pronounced in exactly the same way. Melon sounds identical to melons. Gâteau sounds identical to gâteau. That final written letter is purely for the eyes, not the ears. Listen. First, the singular. Le dessert est sur la table. Now the plural. Les desserts sont sur la table. Did you hear a difference in the word dessert? No. The word is acoustically unchanged. The only audible clues are the determinant, le versus les, and the verb, est versus sont. These surrounding words tell you everything. Let us review the correction. Most of these nouns were standard, requiring a simple S. However, you must notice gâteau. The singular, gâteau, ends in EO, therefore the plural demands an X. This is a common point of failure. And then there is yo, the plural of O. This is completely irregular. It must be memorized. There are no shortcuts. The second phrase was nous voulons acheter des muffins. The noun is plural. The definitive clue is the word des. Des is an explicitly plural article, so we know we are discussing multiple muffins, even though the word muffins sounds unchanged. Next, ce bonbon est délicieux. This is singular. And here we have 2 unambiguous clues. The word ce means this, singular, and the verb est is the singular form of to be. And our final example, elle n'aime pas vos beignes. This is plural. The indicator is the word vos, which is the plural form of your. This brilliantly illustrates how context and context alone gives you the answer. Let us summarize. For the written word, the S is standard. The X is for specific exceptions, and nouns ending in S, X, or Z do not change. For the spoken word, the noun itself is unreliable. Your true clues, your guides, are the determinants and the verbs. They will not mislead you. You now possess the rules. The knowledge is yours. So the question that remains is this. Will you apply this knowledge with the precision required, or will you continue to be deceived by what you hear? The choice is yours.